many more sacred name groups than there were in 1962. I think we have counted some 27 groups now that have broken away from the Assemblies of Yahweh. Now, the difference between the Assemblies of Yahweh and the nominal sacred name movement is simply this: we insist on sound doctrine. The sacred name groups would allow anybody in their midst, anybody that used a sacred name and some that didn't, were allowed in their midst. And some of the wildest doctrines you could imagine were masquerading under the sacred name. I found a group in Denver, Colorado that was just like the COC, Church of Christ. But they were using Yahweh and sometimes Yeshua, I guess, but most of the time JSUS. I don't know if they're still in existence or not. In Richmond, Virginia, I guess there's still a few people from that group that used the sacred name. They used to buy a lot of Bibles from us. I don't know how large they are today. I guess they somewhat broke apart. But they were just like Jehovah's Witnesses. They held their services on Sunday. And they said they're just like Jehovah's Witnesses, the doctrines that they believe and teach. And then out on the West Coast, I found a small group of about 5 or 6 individuals that kept Friday for the Sabbath. They used Yahweh, Y-A-H-V-A-H, in several places. I think originally in Arizona and